Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you select your close friends on Instagram. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After that, at the bottom of the page on the right, you have to click on your profile. And now at the top of the page, you will click on the three lines. After that, you choose Settings and Privacy. Then you scroll down and click on Close Friends. And in this section, you can search after friends and you can choose them. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!